The beach is an immersive installation designed by Snarkitecture that intends to capture the universal experience of going to the beach, but bringing it into a totally different environment. So it's indoors, it's monochromatic, there's a substitution of material, of color, that creates a sort of transformative effect.
So we like to think about creating architecture that does things which are unexpected, that through its design causes people to act or play in ways that they might not otherwise do, right? And through subtle cues within the space, we're able to kind of activate people's behavior, actually. And I think most people's first interpretation of it when they walk in is this kind of childlike, certainly the ball pit is something that we've all experienced as children, as it's kind of like a, very American pastime. But seeing people of different ages and backgrounds engage in this environment, just physically, like getting in it, trying to get out of it, I think it forces you it changes your behavior, really.
I think that this project, maybe more than many others, really gets at one of our goals, which is this idea about making architecture accessible, engaging, for a really wide and diverse audience. So creating experiences that are going to be appealing to people that enjoy art and design and architecture, but also to people that don't know that they do, or maybe don't have an interest in that, or for whatever reason wouldn't be the first people to go to a museum or go to see an art installation or exhibition. So for us to be able to sort of lower the barrier to entry for that and invite people to come in here and have a meaningful experience, have a memorable interaction with it, and hopefully through that gain some lens or invite them into the conversation about why creative disciplines, art, design, architecture in particular, are important.
One of the big benefits for us personally is to see something that's so simple. A lot of our work is about reduction in palette, materials, creating something that is so expansive for people and joyful out of such a simple gesture.